So, Doug, what do you think?
Whoa! That sure is something.
What's wrong?
What are you wearing it for?
I'm going to a party.
A costume party?
No, a regular party.
Does the party have a theme? Like Mardi Gras or the circus?
No, it's a work thing.
Oh. Well then you look great, mate. Very colorful. You'll definitely stand out.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. I think it's fashion forward. Just took a big step backward. Oh, what's that? Oh no, he's going to sing while he's dusting again.
Hello, Tipi, how are you today?
I'm great. Now please go away.
You don't mind if I dust, do you?
Oh no, not at all. My sinuses could use the clogging.
And you know, when I dust, I sing a la 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 la.
Oh, and such a pretty voice too. So loud and abrasive, lovely and impressive. Oh, kill me now.
Hey, Boots.
Oh, hey, Mr. Michael.
What are you doing here all by yourself?
Well, I'm not feeling very well right now.
What's wrong?
Oh, back issues, neck trouble, general malaise type stuff.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, maybe if you gave me a little scratch and a rub, that might help.
How's that feel?
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yes, that's the ticket. Oh, don't stop. I mean, I don't think I'm fully healed yet. Oh, there you go. Oh, I can tell the bad karma is leaving my body as we speak. Oh, keep going. Just a few more hours ought to do it.